The only expectation from you guys is to subscribe the channel and like the video. Okay, so that's all what we need from you. And one more thing, make sure to join the Telegram channel also, as some of the updates are provided here which cannot be provided on YouTube. So make sure to join it. It will eventually help you a lot. So let us begin with the updates. Today's updates are quite unique and important too. So just apply them according to your domain. So first update, this is from BharatFD. They are hiring for backend development intern position. You can apply this here. Monthly stipend of 50,000 will be offered. Duration would be 4 to 6 months. Okay, and there will be also an extension if you work good 4 to 6 hours daily in Gurgaon office. So it is a very good opportunity. Just apply this. Next update is from Spyland. They are hiring for multiple roles actually. So just check out the roles and apply it according to your domain. Next update, this is from Favio. It is hiring for internships opportunity for freshers actually. Location would be Dharampuri, India. So you can check this out too. Here Vue.js, Laravel framework, React Native are the skills required. So check out this too. Next update, this is from Uber. Basically, they are hiring for product design interns. Here last date to apply is 30 Jan, that is tomorrow itself. Okay, so make sure to apply it as fast as possible. Next update is from Scopely. It is hiring for interns in software engineering domain. You can apply this also. Next update, this is from Nav Gurukul. They are hiring for, this is actually a program conducted by them, Code India Fellow Campus. So just check out this opportunity and you can apply this as well. Okay. Next update, this is from Duck Creek. They are hiring for software engineer position. This position is available in remote mode. You can apply this as well. Next update, this is from Lumiri Education. So this will be a full-time and part-time role. Okay, so what you can do is just fill in your details, add your CV also, and make a cover letter also here. Okay, this is optional, but just try to make it and apply it. Next update, this is from Because. They are hiring for software backend development position actually. So you can apply this as well. This is available in remote mode. So you can apply this as well. Next update, this is from Fortive. They are hiring for cooperative software engineer. Okay, so you can apply this. This is a very good opportunity from Fortive. Don't miss this. Next update, this is from We Innovate Technologies. Here there are multiple roles like full stack developer, Python developer role, and some experience roles are also there like last 3 So just make sure which one suits you and then only apply. Next update, this is from Grid. They are hiring for DevOps engineer position. Here stipend of 25k will be offered per month. So check the details. Next update, this is a hiring for MTech batch 2024. So what you have to do is fill in this form and select your domain also. Okay, and just fill in this form and submit it. Company name, I have actually got this link from somewhere, so I have not confirmed it yet, but you can check this opportunity too. Next update, this is from Sumasoft. They are hiring for Salesforce developer position. Basically you will be working as a freelancer, and what you have to do is send your resume or CV to this particular mail ID. Next update, this is from HCL Tech. They are hiring for multiple domains and multiple locations also like Lucknow and Nagpur. So check the details and apply this also. Next update, this is from Ogle AI. They are hiring for software developer interns. You can apply this as well. So check out this opportunity too. Here all the related skills are mentioned like Node.js, Django, Flask, MySQL, RESTful APIs is the skills required. Next update, this is from BharatFD, as I told. So these are more details about it and the form that is listed over here. Okay, so check the details. Next update, there is from First Source. They are hiring for customer service associate role, and this will be a virtual drive conducted. Just fill in your details and you are good to go. Next update is from Zensar. They are hiring for prompt engineer position. Apply this. It is a very good opportunity for freshers. Okay. And prompt engineering is a thing like any basic person can know this. It is not much that of a skill. Okay. So just check this opportunity and apply this. And last update for this video is from Zoom RX. They are hiring for associate and senior associate role. This is for 2025 batch. So just fill in this form. So that's all for this video. And actually, my health condition is not good right now. So I may be not able to post the videos sometime. Okay. So just understand this. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.